What is Hajj? Hajj is a special journey to Mecca, Saudi Arabia. Muslims from all around the world travel to Mecca to perform Hajj. It's time to worship Allah and follow in the footsteps of Prophet Ibrahim. During Hajj, Hajji wear simple white clothes to show equality and unity. Hajj is a way to connect with Allah and with other Muslims from around the world. Muslims feel happy and peaceful during Hajj. It's a journey that teaches about kindness, patience, and helping others. Hajj is a time to ask for forgiveness and to start fresh. They walk around the kaaba, a special building in Mecca. Hajj is a one-in-a-lifetime trip for many Muslims and its dream come true.